If you'd like to see how I'm going to take this large 50 cal bullet and transform it into a beautiful, sparkly rhinestone embellished keepsake item, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today I am going to be adding some rhinestone embellishments to this 50 caliber bullet. And as you can see, it is humongous. So this is more like a prop. It's not a live round. It's like a dummy load or a dummy round. But this is really cute, like something you can have on your mantelpiece. It's like almost as big as my hand. So I thought this would be really nice. I had found this, my husband had this, and I asked him if I can add some embellishments to it. I thought it'd be pretty cool. I'm going to be using some liquid fusion glue. And I already set my rhinestones out. I just couldn't really decide which ones to use. These copper rhinestones are new and I never used them before. So I was kind of thinking about going with copper for the bottom area, 5mm. But I'm really more so kind of leaning towards the gold 5mm. And then at the top, I want to use some of this 3mm gold AB. So I think I'll just move this copper out the way. And I want to use two different colors because, as you can see, this bullet does have more of a bronzy tip or darker tip, and then the bottom is more of a darker gold. And I will be using this wax pen. I'll have links available to the rhinestones that I'm using in the description area, and then I'll have a link available for this wax pickup pen that I'll be using as well. And I have my glue already in a precision tip bottle. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So there's an indented area at the bottom. I'm not sure if my 5mm will fit in there, so I may start with a 3mm just for that area at the bottom. In this little indented area here, the 3mm rose gold rhinestones fit perfectly. So I'm going to start this area first. Then I'm just going to work my way up to the top area. And I'm going to start applying the gold right here as you see. I'm going to start adding the rhinestones and going around in a circular motion. These rose gold rhinestones look absolutely magnificent, and they have a great, beautiful shine. Can you imagine what this would look like in the sunlight? I really like the way this looks already. If you are interested in purchasing a lovely keepsake of this nature, I will have a link available where you can purchase this as well. www.crtacticaldefense.com. Okay, so I'm almost finished with the bottom portion of the bullet, and I'm just working my way right onto the top. And as you can see now, I'm using the 3mm rose gold color, and I'm going to keep on until I'm finished. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result, and this is just so sparkly and so beautiful. I just really adore this. I think it looks amazing, especially because I used the two different color rhinestones. I feel like had I used the gold all the way through, you wouldn't really be able to tell what this is exactly. This is a real 50 caliber round for a 50 caliber rifle, and of course it's a dummy round, but it's so pretty, and I like how the top is darker and the bottom is lighter. This is definitely a great piece to have on your coffee table, on your mantelpiece, on your desk, wherever you see fit. I just really think this is so great. So let me know what you guys think about this one-of-a-kind piece. Thanks for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. And if you don't subscribe, thanks for stopping by. Also, I will have a link to where you can purchase the rhinestones that I used in this video if you are interested. Thanks again for watching. Bye-bye.